Meanwhile, the budget session of the Parliament has kick-started with the President's address to the joint session of the Parliament and the tabling of the economic survey. This session is going to be a special one in many ways. Remember, the biggest highlight of this session is that for the first time since independence, the Union budget will be presented on the 1st of February. Budget presentations has been advanced by a month. Also, for the first time since its inception back in way back, almost over 90 years, the rail budget is being merged with the Union budget. On the legislative front, further movement is expected around GST. The government needs to get the GST bill, the IGST bill and the GST compensation bill passed as it plans to roll out the new tax regime from the 1st of July 2017. The government is also likely to introduce the demonetization bill in the budget session to replace the specified bank notes ordinance, which makes holding 500 and 1,000 rupee notes illegal after the 31st of March 2017. The SEBI Amendment Bill and the Financial Resolution and Deposit Insurance Bill 2017 are also some of the other key items as per the list of the business for the sessions that have been handed out by the Parliament. And here are the key commitment comments that came in from President Pranab Mukherjee himself and Prime Minister Narendra Modi on the beginning of this crucial session of the Parliament. Take a listen.
At the core of all my government's policies is the welfare of the Garib, Dalit, Pirit, Shoshit, Vanchit, Kishan, Shramik and Yuva. My government is guided by the Antodaya philosophy of Pandit Deendayal Upadhyay. His centenary year is being observed as Garib Kalyan Bars.
बजट करीब 1 महीने पहले आ रहा है। दूसरा, इसके साथ रेल बजट भी जोड़ दिया गया है। मैं सभी राजनीतिक दलों से मेरा विश्वास है कि वे इस बार सदन को उत्तम चर्चा के साथ जनहित के काम को आगे बढ़ाने में उपयोग करेंगे।
Well, let us only hope that the budget